Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to make fire with a sharp knife, a stick, and a random ignition source. Once again, we will be highlighting the wood shavings tinder bundle. Let me put you on time lapse. All right, here's a good dry piece of Virginia pine. Let's use it. More companion, stainless steel, heavy duty. All right, I would normally do some scrapings also, but you might think that I was going after the fat wood. So we'll just ignite these shavings and feathers. This video is about wood shavings, tinder bundles, and tinder. Bayite keychain ferro. Let's see if we can speed things up a little bit. I'm down here in the front yard by this 4 feet in diameter tulip poplar. And we'll just get some of these branches that have been exposed to the weather. That should be plenty. All right, let me remind you now, we're showing you what a sharp knife, a stick, and just some random ignition sources can do for you, which means we'll process these sticks down into shavings, feathers, and now I will use some scrapings on this. And if the sun comes out, one ignition source I want to use is tablespoon ignited charred punkwood. And the other one will be a fire roll. So I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to show you. Let's get started. Let's start off with the scrapings. Sometimes a soft wood will scrape all right, then other times it won't scrape at all. Well, I'm not going to keep fighting this wind. Let's make one more fire though. Let's use the tablespoon ignited charred punkwood. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the stove. I'll just blow on it in the stove. Now all we need is some sun. Well, too many clouds. We could still use our wallet Fresnel lens. It'll do a good job in a situation like this. Always wear your shades when doing solar experiments. If you don't happen to have them with you, make sure you keep looking away. Ridges towards the sun. Let's see if this can be hot enough to ignite it. There are clouds in front of the sun right now. ton of moisture in that tulip poplar. Let's let it off gas. Give it about 30 seconds, preferably 60 seconds, to drive off enough moisture to ignite the flames. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Looks like we're not going to have to go to time lapse. We'll catch you on the next one. I think it's plenty dry now.